Hello there. It is going to be a short one today. A little bit cooking, so another food video. But who doesn't love food? There's no excuse for not loving food. I say that as if am not one of the fussiest people alive. I am going to be going to Marks and Spencer's and grabbing food for dinner. I'll take you along with me, do a bit of the food shop, and cooking it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I haven't really thought this through. I thought, you know what, let's just go to Marks and Spencer's. Plus, I heard about their Marks and Sparks range, which I really do want to look at. So I will probably add some clips in of how much everything is and like just to see what is on offer for the Marks and Sparks. I think it's Marks and Sparks. I don't know. I'm not 100%. I will probably add a comment or a piece of text just to clarify if I'm right or not. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. But it's Marks and Spencer's range. It's their own range of affordable food, but still with Marks and Spencer's quality. I want to see that. I love a good bargain, so we're gonna go have a look and see if there's any other bargains I can get on the way. But I have not found anything. It's quite noisy in here, so I don't even know if like this is gonna be audible. If you look here, this is the remarkable value range. This is what they call making it affordable with the same quality as their other products. We've got all the food, so now it's time to pay. I am now home. It is time to cook. The boyfriend is on the way. So this is what I got. Now, as you can see, I got the vegetables, duck, spiced coconut laksa, spring onion rice, and just at the back is pak choy. The vegetables take the longest to cook, so I'll cook those first, and then the rice and the duck, and then I will add the sauce and let it boil, simmer, more of a simmer. But the best thing about this is that it tells you how long it takes, which is brilliant because I'm really bad at timing. So let's hope I get this right. I have decided I'm not going to put the pak choy in because it's too much and it won't get eaten. So I will probably cook those another day with some chili oil crunch, I think it's called. But there is actually, I'm pretty sure that, what is that? I don't know. The vegetables will be cooked first because they take the longest, but look at the colour. Look at that, beautiful. I'm so excited to eat this. I've been trying to incorporate more vegetables into my diet. So like for lunch today, for example, I had soft tacos with courgettes and mushrooms mixed together in a paprika and garlic seasoning. That with some sour cream and Parmesan cheese on top was brilliant. But now it's time to cook. Let's not burn anything. That would be a good start.